What's going on, guys? I'm Zach. Welcome to Bros Reactor 151. You know the deal, guys. Scout Nation in the building. It is what it is, all is it? Thank you very much, Mr. Netherlands, for the donation. We really appreciate it. Hope you're keeping well. Hope you're staying safe. And hope you're saying yeah, but no, but yeah, but no, but yeah. Do you know what I mean, kid? The lads wants us to react to Anouk birds. Leave the official link down below in the description. Make sure you support the official video, guys. Remember, guys, support the channel, help channel build. Those hit that donation that I go from me to PayPal. All links down below in the description. Just want to special request, hit that donation, we'll make a priority and get it to you as soon as possible. We hope you enjoy it. Well, let go. The flying's still around, Mr. Netherlands.
From the outside, clouds have taken all the light. I have no control. It seems my thoughts wander all of the time when I try to live life without you. Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. If being myself is what I do wrong, then I would rather.
Song's alright.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
Alright.
If being myself is what I do wrong, then I would rather not be right. Hopes turned into fear, and with my one wing I can fly with sunrise, embrace my dreams tight, and that's why birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no.
I won't even jump, cause
Wow, she's gonna try. She's gonna try and fly.
a bird got wings, and that's what it does. It flies. Do you know what I mean? And gets on rooftops. And did you hear what I said though? Like birds fall from rooftops and to you know, like fall down like raindrops. Kid, it can happen. Like all them birds, the way, and a lot of birds, lad, that's what happens in it. You know, like whenever their time's done, lad, they just drop.
Yeah, it happened last time. I can't remember, in the woods. And
Yeah.
there's loads of birds.
In the
I don't know if
UK,
anyone's
innit?
yeah. I don't know if anyone's seen it, but I reckon it probably happened in America as well.
Like raindrops,
Yeah.
kid. We seen like a video where he was just laying down on the floor everywhere.
Dead.
Out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. Birds to a place without fear, with no moonlight. All I need are trees and flowers and some sunlight, where memories are being made and where the old one dies, where love ain't lost. Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. Birds falling down the rooftops, out of the sky like raindrops. No air, no pride. That's why birds don't fly.
Powerful video, lad.
Wow, kid, like, that's what I'm saying. At the end of the day, I animals and things like that are animals, humans are humans. We can't do what animals can do. Do you know what I mean? Like birds can fly, they're born to fly. We're born to walk, you know,
Talk.
move our hands, talk and everything, be on the ground. Do you know what I mean? So that's where we have to do. When you see things like in movies, like flying people and everything, it's just a movie.
We only fly in space.
You know, and things like that, so don't even try to
That's why birds don't fly.
It was like this.
That's it to the video. And do you know what? Obviously there's more meaning. We probably didn't like really get much of the message. You know what I
It's
mean?
when someone feels suicidal as well, they can go to that extreme.
That's it, lad, and like they probably just want to be free.
Yeah.
See, like birds, like when people look at birds and everything, mate, like it's like, you know, you want to set your arms out,
Set your
and fly away
Yeah.
and be free. Do you know what I mean? But you know, we have to fight our demons, guys. We can't let the demon win. We can't let the devil win. We have to overcome, you know, and fight the fight we've got in us. Do you know what I mean? We hope you enjoyed it. We thank you for watching. Until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.